Morning! We're going to do a science experiment and we're going to layer liquids. So in this measuring cup I have water and I dyed it blue with blue food coloring. We have vegetable oil in this one and we have corn syrup in this one. Now we are going to first layer the water or layer the liquid. We're going to pour the blue water onto the bottom. That's going in first.
I sit here.
Go ahead. Okay, so we've got blue water. And now we're going to pour in the vegetable oil. This one. You can pour this one.
Okay.
Okay, just do a little bit. We don't need all of it. What do you think is going to happen with the vegetable oil?
And this.
What do you think? What's happening?
And I do.
Just wait.
I want her.
What's happening? We'll add a little bit more. What do you think is happening with the vegetable oil? And now we're going to add the corn syrup. Where are the liquids? Oh, watch out, Manny. Can you pour the water in? Pour the water in. Okay, now let it sit. Let's see what happens. You see how they're separating into 3 layers? Look at that. The vegetable oil floats on top because it's less dense than water, and the corn syrup sinks to the bottom of both layers, the oil and the water, because it's more dense.